Hi Rushang,
Hi.
good to see you here. Yeah, we are at the Bharat Mobility Expo here, and sustainability is a very big theme this year.
Sure.
You're providing vehicle washing solutions. So tell us more on that part, and how are you contributing to the sustainability, and how is it going to help the industry overall?
Absolutely. So, if I particularly talk about India, India has the second largest vehicle population. There are about 350 million vehicles plying on the road. All these vehicles are washed. And if you just imagine the consumption of water, there's about 3,000 billion liters of water that is actually consumed, in washing these vehicles. So what we are focusing on is exactly this angle. Our solutions recycle and reuse over 98% of the water and also collect all the hazardous waste that is generated when you wash a vehicle. And 95% of the water that is consumed in the country is also from the ground. So you can imagine taking out good water from the ground, washing a vehicle, polluting it, and then leaving it back on the ground. So that's the exact area at which BlueVerse is focusing on, is to work on this area.
Could you also walk us through how are you actually doing that, minimal water wastage? How are you ensuring that?
Absolutely. So we have a machine for a two-wheeler, and a two-wheeler washing, the motorbike goes into an enclosed chamber. Most of the water that is used, all the water that is used is collected, and it's collected in our collection tank. It goes into our integrated effluent treatment plant, and then the treated water is actually reused in a circular motion where the water consumed gets recycled and reused. So that is the fundamental of the entire operation.
Currently, we have recently tied up with BlueVerse for our two-wheeler customer washing solution. It's far better than dry wash. Reason being, customers want their bike or two-wheeler washing with wet. Wet means water. Water wash. They want a water wash. And the BlueVerse solution using only 4 liters of water for making a complete body wash. In comparison to water wash, they are using almost 90% less water for making a complete body wash of any vehicle. So I suggest it's in comparison to wet wash or a dry wash.
You're providing solutions for two-wheelers, we saw here, but are you also looking to expand to other categories of vehicles going forward?
Absolutely. So as you can see out here, this is our automated car washing solution, and we already have a bus washing solution, and going forward we're going to be working in developing a conveyorized car washing unit. So this machine can wash about one vehicle at a time, but a conveyorized system would actually wash more than, it can vary from 10 to 15 to even 50 vehicles an hour. So that is where we are trying to move and broaden our portfolio.
Could you also help us understand, how are you leveraging the IoT and digital solutions? Because I'm very sure that is going to play a big role in your business here.
Yeah, so every wash for us is an independent SKU. So every time the machine washes a vehicle, it generates an SKU. That particular SKU has all the data of how much water it's consumed, how much has been recycled, what is the water quality, what is the pH, TDS, all the water parameters that are important to control. And through that, we can even tell you the discharge quality, right? So because of the CPCB norms that the discharge has to be as per XYZ parameters. So our SKU, our IoT will be able to tell you that micro level data for each and every.
What new are you thinking on going forward? This is done. They're still working with the OEMs. Lots more to go.
They have to go. So we only have a two-wheeler washing machine, a bus and car wash machine. We are also trying to expand our portfolio with tunnel conveyorized systems to wash vehicles. We are going to try and even get into operating these machines on solar. And of course, global expansion is what we are currently focusing on. We've already started operations in UAE.